Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your success in the Forex market. How to create a winning Forex trading plan. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, having a solid plan is crucial. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a Forex trading plan? In simple terms, it's your roadmap to trading success. It outlines your strategies, risk management rules, and goals. Think of it as your personalized blueprint for navigating the Forex market. Step 1 is setting clear, achievable goals. Ask yourself, why are you trading Forex? Is it for additional income, financial independence, or perhaps saving for a big purchase? Having specific goals will keep you focused and motivated. Remember, your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next up, developing your trading strategy. This is where you decide how you'll enter and exit trades. There are countless strategies out there, from scalping and day trading to swing trading and position trading. Choose one that suits your lifestyle and risk